it's Tiger TV back at it with another video, and today we're going to be doing functions. So I would recommend you to read the stuff above first because we're going to be hopping right into the practice problems. So there's not a lot to read today compared to the usual. So yeah, you can do these practice problems yourself, and then we'll come back to them and we'll go over them. Great, you're back, or you're not back. I don't really know. Let's just go over them. So for the first problem, it says the equation for a function is y equals -7 plus 7. The domains are 6, 3, and 9. What are the coordinates? So since it's the x, so the domains are the x values. So for the first one, it's -6 plus 7, and that will equal 1. So for the second one, it's -3 plus 7, and that will equal 4. So for the third one, it's -9 plus 7, and that will equal -2. So the coordinates are, so they're 6, 1, 3, 4, and then there is 9, -2. So yeah, just let me type this real quick, and then we're gonna hop right into problem number 2. Okay, great. I finally got done typing. So for problem number 2, it says the equation for a function is y equals -x, and then parentheses 3 minus 4. The domains are 4, 6, 7, and 2. What are the coordinates? So what we want to do here, since the domains are the x's, for the first one, we do -4, and then we do the distributive rule. So we distribute -4 to 3 and -4. So -4 times 3, that will be -12, and then -4 times -4, that will equal 16. So -12 plus 16, that will equal 4. So for the second one, it is -6, and then you distribute 3 minus 4. So -6 times 3, that will be -18, and then -6 times -4, that will equal 24. So -18 plus 24, that will equal 6. So for the next coordinate, it's -7, and then you distribute that to 3 and -4. So -7 divided by 3, that will equal -21, and -7 times -4, that will be 7. So for the next one, we distribute 2. So it's -2, and then you distribute that to 3 and -4. So -2 times 3, that will be -6, and then -2 times -4, that will be 8. So after that, we do -6 plus 8, and that will equal 2. So if you found a pattern here, all the answers are the domains. So the coordinates, so for the first one, it is 4, 4, and for the second one, it is 6, 6, and for the third one, it is 7, 7, and for the fourth one, aka the last one, it's 2, 2. So yeah. Why did I just write -4? Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm not great at typing. So while I finish up this problem, I hope you're having a great day, because there's like no reason that you shouldn't be. So yeah, trying to stay positive. Yeah. Okay, so for problem number 3, it says the equation for a function is y equals negative and then absolute value x plus 5. So for the first coordinate, it's 1. So the absolute value, it's always positive, so that's 1. But there's a negative sign before the absolute value, so that means it's always a negative. So we do -1 plus 5, and that will equal 4. So then after that, we do, since the next coordinate or domain is 14, we put that into the absolute value, and since there's a negative sign in front of it, we do -14 plus 5, and that's -9. So for the next thing, we do the same thing. It's always a negative. So -3 plus 5, that will equal 2. So for the 4, we also do the same thing. So -4 plus 5, that equals 1. So the coordinates are, so the first coordinate is 1, 4. The second one is 14, -9. And then the third one is -3, 2. And then the last one is 4, 1. So, yeah, I hope you got most of these right. And I hope, yeah, you're just enjoying your day. So I'm sorry about the typing issues. I'm not that great at typing, as you may know if you've watched my previous videos. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got most of these right. I hope I'll catch you in my next one. Take it easy.